Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on React Router v6, a powerful library that has become essential for developers creating seamless navigation experiences in React applications. In today's web development landscape, the ability to manage navigation efficiently is crucial, especially as applications grow in complexity. React Router v6 offers a suite of features that align perfectly with modern React practices, making it a vital tool for building dynamic, user-friendly applications. Throughout this video, we'll explore how React Router v6 enhances readability and maintainability through its declarative routing approach, provides the flexibility of nested and dynamic routes, and optimizes performance with its intuitive route matching. Whether you're building single-page applications, e-commerce platforms, or content management systems, React Router v6 equips you with the capabilities to ensure your applications are not only functional, but also scalable and efficient. So, let's dive in and see how you can leverage React Router v6 for seamless navigation in your React projects. Let's start by examining the core concepts of React Router v6. At the heart of this library is declarative routing, which allows you to define your routes using JSX, aligning naturally with React's component-based architecture. This approach makes your code more readable and easier to maintain. Imagine your application as a book, where each route represents a chapter. Declarative routing lets you outline these chapters clearly, ensuring anyone who reads your code can easily follow the flow of your application. Next, we have nested routes, a feature that enables you to structure your application hierarchically. Think of nested routes as subchapters within a chapter, allowing you to mirror your UI layout in your routing structure. This is particularly useful in complex applications where different components need to be displayed based on the user's navigation path. Dynamic routing is another powerful feature. It allows your application to adapt to user inputs and interactions by using URL parameters and query strings. For instance, in an e-commerce application, you might use dynamic routing to display different product details based on the product ID in the URL. React Router v6 also introduces a new route matching algorithm. This algorithm is more efficient and accurate, ensuring that the correct components are rendered based on the URL. It's like having a GPS that guides you to the right destination without any detours. Finally, React Router v6 provides a new way to manage data loading with route-based loaders. This feature ensures that your data is ready when your components render, enhancing the user experience by reducing loading times and improving performance. Picture this as having a waiter who knows exactly when to bring out each course of your meal, ensuring a smooth dining experience. To bring these concepts to life, let's walk through a practical example. We'll set up a simple React application using React Router v6 to demonstrate declarative routing, nested routes, and dynamic routing. First, ensure you have the necessary dependencies in your package.json file. Here's how it might look. Now, let's visualize how React Router v6 works in action within our application. Imagine opening a web application that starts on the home page. Here, you'll see a welcoming message indicating that you're exploring a React Router v6 example. As you navigate to the About page, the content seamlessly changes to provide information about declarative routing. Moving on to the dashboard page, the navigation experience remains fluid as you explore subsections like Overview and Settings. Each section is accessible without any page refresh, maintaining a smooth user experience. The dashboard page further illustrates nested routes by allowing you to dive deeper into specific areas, such as Overview and Settings, each with its own unique content. Finally, returning to the home page is as simple as clicking a link, demonstrating the efficiency and user-friendliness of React Router v6's navigation capabilities. This seamless transition between different sections showcases the power of React Router v6 in creating dynamic and responsive web applications. In conclusion, React Router v6 is a game changer for developers looking to create seamless navigation experiences in their React applications. We've explored its key features, including declarative routing, nested routes, dynamic routing, and efficient route matching, all of which contribute to building applications that are both powerful and easy to maintain. By implementing these features, you can ensure your applications provide a responsive and intuitive user experience. As you continue to develop with React Router v6, remember to consider potential challenges such as the learning curve for newcomers, integrating with global state management, and addressing SEO concerns in single page applications. By doing so, you'll be well equipped to leverage the full potential of React Router v6 in your projects. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and I encourage you to apply these concepts in your own applications to see the benefits firsthand. Happy coding!